What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where I talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's my on-feet review of the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost Targaryen'S Dragons. Let's go! If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we partnered with Cop Garden to give away this Supreme body bag or side bag in purple. All you guys have to do is to number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, follow them on Instagram. Number 3, follow me on Instagram. And number 4, hit the notification bell. And lastly, click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! I have done a bunch of videos on the Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost collection so far. We did the early unboxing where we featured all sneakers, unboxed all sneakers ahead of the release date, in partnership, of course, with Soul Academy. We did the full review, the on-feet review already of 2 of the sneakers, House Stark, as well as Night's Watch. Both of those videos and the other Game of Thrones videos can be found in the link down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comments. Make sure that you guys watch them first. But for today's video, it's special. I'm reviewing one of my favorite sneakers in the collection. Guys, this is Targaryen'S Dragons, and it is by far the loudest, it has the most kick-ass, the most blatantly Game of Thrones, and the most fire, literally, sneaker in the collection. And that, I think, is what makes this sneaker special among the entire set. Because if you take a look at the sneakers, all 6 of them, it's actually kind of hard to see that they are Game of Thrones inspired. I mean, House Stark is black and gray. Night's Watch is black and white. The ladies, the red one, you can think of like some sort of Chinese New Year sneaker. The white one is so subtle, but that's a nice thing, but it is so subtle, it is hard to see the Game of Thrones resemblance to House Targaryen. The next loudest to this would probably be the White Walkers. I'll do a review of that soon. But this is by far the blatantly loudest and most Game of Thrones-y sneaker in the collection, and I am loving it. I mean, if you love, like, if you are the person who's looking for like a Game of Thrones sneaker that you can wear every day without thinking of what you'll wear, then go for House Stark, go for Night's Watch, or go for the other more subtle colors. But man, if you want something loudly Game of Thrones and you wanna, rock it and style it up and, figure out what it is that you'll wear together with the shoe, this is the sneaker for you guys. This, of course, is, I'm just taking a look at it. I mean, take a look at that upper. You have that dragon fire in different shades of red and orange and yellow creeping up from the toe box, licking its way all the way up to the middle part of the shoe. You see the crimson flares just literally scattered along the midsection, going back here until it becomes an all-black color. And it's just so fire. And then you take a look at the sides. You have the leather heel cages on both sides. Then you have the dragon scale like tongue tab in brown, highlighted by a red or orange crimson type of lining along the sides. And then you have the Adidas logo. You also have the logo of House Targaryen here. And then it says there at the back, aptly said, Fire and Blood. I mean, guys, it is just so kick-ass. So how is it on feet? Now, it is an Ultra Boost, so it is comfortable. It is a shoe that was initially made for running and performance, so you do get the benefit of the full Boost midsole, the excellent cushioning that goes with Boost with this sneaker. And the best thing about it, it sells the same price as your regular Ultra Boost. So if you are a Game of Thrones fan and you just want an Ultra Boost, you don't have to pay, extra to be able to get an Ultra Boost with the Game of Thrones branding and the Game of Thrones styling. Because, for example, if you take a look at the Adidas Dragon Ball Z collection, most of the sneakers were your typical silhouettes, but they were priced really high because of the licensing deal that they had with Dragon Ball. That's not the case with this one. The ZX500 RM Goku, which is just a lifestyle sneaker, is more expensive than this because that one sold for like 10,000 pesos. This one is at 8,900 pesos. When it comes to value for money, it is really hard to beat the value that you get with the Adidas Ultra Boost Game of Thrones collection, especially if you are a Game of Thrones fan. Now, sorry, I diverted a bit. Going back to the on-feet review, it is super comfortable. It is something that you can wear out. The black Boost is also something that won't yellow over time, so you won't have to think about that anymore. It's also easy to clean because most of it is black. The red and orange, I think, will hide dirt pretty well unless it's like a stain, so make sure to just spray Crep Protect on it and you should be good. In terms of sizing, I would actually recommend that you either go true to size if you are, normal size feet or narrow feet, more on the narrow side. But just to be safe, you might want to consider going half a size up. If you haven't tried an Ultra Boost yet, just go to an Adidas store, try it out, and see what your fit is. If it's half a size up, then go half a size up for this one. I tend to go at least half a size up or sometimes even full size ups with my Ultra Boosts. And that's what I did with this one. But again, the fit may vary depending on your foot type, on the size of your feet, and all of that stuff. So do I recommend the Targaryen'S Dragons Adidas Ultra Boost? Like what I said, that the intro is very straightforward. If you want something blatantly, loudly Game of Thrones that pops, this is it. The second, like, less poppier than this one is probably the White Walkers, but man, this is the loudest really in the collection. If you want the subtle versions, go for the other ones. Go for the House Stark. Go the safest probably and the easiest to wear would most likely be Night's Watch. But man, if you want something that just stands out, boom. And that's actually it for our quick on-feet review of the Targaryen'S Dragons Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost. Guys, if you haven't seen the other videos that I did on the collection, I will put links down below in the description box as well as pinned in the comment section. I would love it if you guys check out the videos. I'm also working on my review for the White Walkers. I was about to say Winter Walkers. White Walkers Game of Thrones Adidas Ultra Boost. It should be dropping this weekend, so watch out for that when it hits my YouTube channel. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe. This is a really nice Supreme body bag, side bag that you guys can just have for free if you subscribe and you join the raffle. So might as well go ahead and do that, right? So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Shout out again to Soul Academy for allowing me to do the early unboxing series that came out a few days early prior to the release of the Ultra Boost Game of Thrones collection. I am humbled and blessed with the partnership. That's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? You know it. Boom.